Hey Minecrafters, this is MidnightTheCat1 here with a video on how to install Modloader to the new 1.6.2 version of Minecraft. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is go into our launcher here, and I'm going to explain to you this little thing down here, this profile or whatever. Basically it's like having different copies of Minecraft with two different copies of Minecraft available through your launcher. One version is going to be like your vanilla, and that'll be the whatever your username is, like mine is MidnightTheCat1. And if you create another version, that can be your modded version, like I have here. I've already created one, and we're going to do that right now. We're going to hit New Profile, and you are going to name it whatever you want, but I recommend naming it something that you will remember. This is your modded version. Okay, so none of this we need to worry about right now, but we will be using the use version in a few minutes here. We're going to go create a new version right this second. So hit save profile and exit out of your launcher. Alright, easiest way to get to your roaming folder is to hit the Windows button and R. Now this will take you straight to your roaming thing, to the run program, and then you can just type in %apt_data%, but I already have the actual location of the folder right here. So we're in the roaming folder, and I'm going to go to our .minecraft folder. I know your first instinct is go to bin. Don't mess with the bin. It's not what we're worried about. We don't mess with that anymore, because installing mods directly to your bin folder is not how Minecraft works anymore. What we are going to do is take our little cursor down here and go straight to versions, and you'll have a folder with 1.6.2 or whatever version you're using and other versions that you have installed. I'm just going to go ahead and click right on that, and then you'll have these two little thingies in here. We are going to copy them. Excuse me, hang on, let me make sure I got them both. Yep. Okay, we're going to go back to our versions and create a new folder. I'm going to name mine 1.6.2.mods. You can name it whatever you want. Just remember that everything that you rename, you have to rename it the same. You can name it as Bugs Bunny is awesome for all that matters to you, if that's what floats your boat, but just make sure it's all the same. Alright, now I just pasted in those two folders that we copied, and we're going to rename them. Because they all have to be the same. So add .mods. .mods. Okay, now we have these both the same. Now we're going to mess with this JSON file down here. Basically, if you can't open it, I understand. I had this problem for a while, couldn't figure it out. You're going to go to Properties and hit Change, and then select Notepad. Some of it might be with like some executable file or whatever, and it doesn't work. Don't worry about that. Just change the file, what it opens with, and you'll be fine. You can just double click and open right up to Notepad. Alright, so basically it's going to be all these weird numbers and coding and whatnot, and you're not going to know what any of this means. The only thing you need to worry about is the ID 1.6.2. Just change it to whatever you have the other things. Hit save and exit. I'm going to make sure that I did it right. Yep, we did. Okay, so now we are done with this for the moment. Okay, so now we're going to go get our mod. I already have this page up. It's minecraftforum.net with Risugami's Modloader. We're going to go down here and download it. So we have our thing already and open in Modloader WinRAR, or you can use 7-zip, whichever you prefer. Now you're going to open the 1.6.2.mods or whatever you named it, WinRAR archive. Right, you got this. Now this looks a little familiar, doesn't it? Alright, so first things first, what do we always do? We delete the meta.inf file because that thing is evil and it doesn't work with Modloader. So now you have all this Modloader folders and stuff. You need to hit Control A and you'll select all the files. Doopity-doo. Drag them over to your version, whatever, and you'll have this all set up. Now you can exit out of this, And we're going to go back to Minecraft now. Don't try to run it just yet, because you have to fix your profile. So we're going to go to the mods profile that we created earlier and hit edit profile. Now, remember I said we were going to change the used versions? Mine's already changed. Instead of 1.6.2, it's release 1.6.2.mods, whatever you named it. That'll be what it is. Hit save profile, and now, the moment of truth. Play. And now everything works fantastically. Da-da-da! Everything's awesome. Modloader's installed. We're so happy. We're so happy. And that's really loud. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video here, and I hope that you this shed some light on how to install Modloader and how Minecraft now works. Thanks for watching my video.